Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all once again to the English grammar class. So, in the last class, we studied nouns, and today, here I am to teach you another part of speech, that is pronouns. So, what do you mean by pronouns? We know that nouns are the naming words. But what are pronouns then? So, to understand pronouns, let us compare the two groups of sentences. The first sentence says, Sita is a good girl. Sita always comes first. Sita obeys her teachers. Everyone praises Sita. Now, let's come to the second, that is the sentence B. Sita is a good girl. She always comes first. She obeys her teachers. Everyone praises her. Now, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਪਹਿਲੇ sentence ਵਿੱਚ I mean group of sentences ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਸੀਤਾ 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 ਕਿੰਨੀ ਵਾਰੀ repeat ਹੋਇਆ. So, pronouns ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲੇਗਾ ਕਿ actual ਵਿੱਚ pronouns ਹੁੰਦੇ ਕੀ ਨੇ. Pronouns are the words which are used instead of noun so that the nouns are not repeated again and again while referring to some person, place, thing, etc. ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਿ sentence B ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਸੀਤਾ ਬੋਲਿਆ, but then in the other three sentences we referred Sita as she. So here she is a pronoun which is helping us to eradicate the repetition of nouns while talking to someone or while writing something. So this is what actually pronouns are. Now, let us talk about the kinds of pronouns. Pronouns are of many kinds. So, let us classify pronouns. Personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kinds of pronouns. Now let us discuss each one of them. First we have the personal pronoun. A personal pronoun is one which is used in place of the name of a person. So when I am referring to a person, I will be using personal pronouns. ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜੇ pronoun use ਕਰਾਂਗੇ? Personal pronoun. To understand it more clearly, let's move towards the first example. That is, Mr. Verma is a professor. He is an Indian. So, in the second sentence, you would have noticed that I referred Mr. Verma using a pronoun he. Here, he is a personal pronoun. Now, if it would have been Mrs. Verma, then I would have used which pronoun? Tell me, people. Yes, it would be she is an Indian. So here he and she both act as personal pronouns. Second sentence. They gave her a prize. So, here her, referring to the girl to whom a prize has been given. Here her is a personal pronoun. Next we have reflexive pronoun. The reflexive pronouns are those that are formed by adding self or selves to personal pronouns. Now, what happens in reflexive pronouns? ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ personal pronoun ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ word self ਜਾਂ selves ਉਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਲਗਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਅਤੇ reflexive pronoun ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. Easy ਬੱਚੋ? So, let us consider the first example. You should do it yourself. So here I added self with you. So it became yourself. Second sentence. She paints this house herself. Self added to her. So here herself is a reflexive pronoun. My dear students, mind it that in reflexive pronouns, the subject and the object refer to the same person. Like here, you and yourself refer to one person. She and herself are also used for only one person, not for two different persons. Okay? Next, we have relative pronouns. A relative pronoun is a type of pronoun that often introduces dependent clauses in sentences. They can also stand alone as the subject or object of a sentence. So relative pronouns नाम तो पता चल रहा है relate करने लिए यूज करे जाते हैं. Example तो समझते हैं. The girl who is wearing a red gown is my sister. So the girl who, here who is used to refer to the girl. Some other examples of relative pronouns are I love the present which you gave me on my birthday. So which here refers to the present, the gift that was given to her. He never remembers where he put his keys. So where he puts his key? Where is relative pronoun. This is the book that I want to read. So here that is used for the book. Mind, my dear students, that is used for both things and people also. Okay? The girl that I saw. The book that I want. Okay? Now let's move further. Next we have demonstrative pronouns. Obviously very clear by the name which I used to demonstrate, to show somebody. Demonstrative pronoun is used to show or identify or a number of nouns that may be far or near in distance of time. ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਪੈਨ ਹੈ. This is my pen. ਮੈਂ ਹੱਥ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੈਨ ਫੜਿਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈ. This is my pen. This is a demonstrative pronoun. That is a beautiful watch. ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਥੋੜੀ ਦੂਰ ਇੱਕ watch ਪਈ ਹੈ. ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੇ ਵੱਲ point ਕਰਕੇ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮੇਰੀ beautiful watch ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ. So that is a demonstrative pronoun. So this and that are some basic demonstrative pronouns which are used very widely. Okay? Next we have interrogative pronouns. Just like you would have studied about interrogative sentences in your last classes, interrogation means questioning. Question पूछना किसी ਨੂੰ कोई सवाल पूछना. So let's read the definition out. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions about a person or object that we do not know about. So मैं किसी भी चीज बारे question पूछना. I want to ask who is that person. So who will be an interrogative pronoun. Let's read the examples once. Who broke the window pane? किन्ने तोड़ी window pane? So here who is an interrogative pronoun because it is used to ask questions. What is there in your bag? ਤੁਹਾਡੇ bag ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ? What is used to ask questions? All the WH words come under interrogative pronouns. Next we have indefinite pronouns. The indefinite pronoun is used to show unspecific objects or people, whether in plural or in singular. So ਮੈਨੂੰ नहीं पता कि एक्चुअल च लोकां दा किन्ना नंबर है जो ताज महल वेखणगे. So what I said, all, some, few. ਹੁਣ ਇਹ indefinite words ਨੇ, मतलब ਸਾਨੂੰ नहीं पता कि exact number किन्ना गया, but ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਗਏ, ਕੁਛ ਗਏ, थोड़े ਜਿਹੇ ਗਏ. So these words are indefinite pronouns. Examples being, all of us visited the Taj Mahal. ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ, ਸਾਨੂੰ नहीं पता किन्ने, but ਸਾਨੂੰ पता है ਸਾਰੇ ਗਏ. So all here is indefinite pronoun. Coming to the second example, some of my friends have joined the army. Some, ਕੁਝ ਮੇਰੇ ਦੋਸਤਾਂ ਨੇ. So here some is indefinite pronoun. Next we have reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun is used when two or more nouns are doing or being same to one another. मतलब एग्जाम्पल राही ਆਪਾਂ ਸਮਝਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਸੀਤਾ ਐਂਡ ਗੀਤਾ ਲਵ ਈਚ ਅਦਰ, ਮਤਲਬ ਇੱਥੇ ਸੀਤਾ ਐਂਡ ਗੀਤਾ ਨਾਮ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. ਸੋ ਹੇਅਰ ਈਚ ਅਦਰ is used for both of them, so it is a reciprocal pronoun. All the three partners trust one another. ਤਿੰਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ one another pronoun use ਕੀਤਾ, so it is reciprocal pronoun. So these were all the types of pronouns. I hope that you understood it well and you enjoyed it. Meet you in the next video session. बच्चों, thank you so much.